Okay, question 2 of the ABRSM Grade 5 Music Theory paper of 2006. Now this question is about intervals, and intervals are very important. At this stage in your musical development, you should be very good at intervals, and not just to pass the exam. You should be very good at intervals because harmonies are made of intervals, melodies are made of intervals, intervals get you to understand consonances and dissonances and how they work in music. If you want to progress then to the higher grades, to the higher theory grades, you have to be 100% clear on your intervals, because you can't make mistakes if you progress to the higher grades. So get your intervals straight, read the question, describe fully each of the numbered melodic intervals. For example, major second, major third, perfect fifth, etc., etc. Well, we've got a key signature of G major or E minor, and F sharp in the key signature. So let's be careful. Immediately, we got an F sharp here. Okay, so first interval between F sharp and D sharp. Now that's a major sixth. That's a major sixth. You can write it down fully if you want. Major sixth. Second interval between G and C. Always reckon them upwards. It's easier. Now, between G and C, now that's bigger than an octave, so you can say that it's a compound perfect fourth over the octave compound intervals. So compound perfect fourth, or simply a perfect 11, or simply a perfect 11th. Now, I wouldn't give them both answers. Just pick an answer and stick to it. Pick one of the two. Don't give them both. The more you give, the more you have a chance of making a mistake. So just give enough in your answer. Don't give too much. Next interval. Okay, what do I get? I get a G sharp on top and a C natural at the bottom. C natural, yeah? Okay, so that's an augmented fifth. That's an augmented fifth. C, G, perfect fifth. The G sharp makes it bigger, makes it a semitone bigger than perfect, augmented. Now, next interval, I have an A sharp and a G natural. Okay, now that's a diminished seventh. A natural and G would be minor seventh. The sharp makes it smaller. The sharp gets the A closer to the G, so that makes it a diminished seventh. And finally, the last interval, E natural, G natural. So that's simply a minor third. That's that. Anyway, I hope that helps. Any questions, post a comment. See you soon. Thanks for watching.